Hey guys, this is Python Cheese here again today, and got my new keyboard in yesterday, and I just wanted to show you guys this keyboard. Check out the effects. You can adjust the lighting, how bright you want it. You can have it off, which pointless. I think it has three brightness settings. This is the Corsair Strafe RGB MX Cherry Silent, or whatever it's called. You can actually mess with it. You can actually change it. Say you take that off. You can have that. It's a spiral rainbow. It's pretty cool. But I just do the simple effect. The rainbow wave when it goes down. You can change it to go up, down, left, right. It's pretty cool. Here's the spiral one. And then you got you can actually change how fast it goes. You can slow it down to medium, slow, medium, or fast. And that's just that. And then you can change it to like clockwise or counterclockwise. And should do that. Here's the visor one. That one's pretty cool. It's almost like a police light basically. It's pretty cool. You can change how fast it goes. Slow, and you can actually change the colors too if you really want to, but I just have it at random. Then you got rain, it's called. You can have it fast, slow. Slow effect looks the coolest in my opinion for that one. And this one's got like a color shift where it does the whole thing. Then you got color pulse, which it just turns it off and then turns it back on to a different color. Like I said, you can choose all the colors you want. You got a color wave, which it does that. Like I said, you can go up, down, even left. And then you got this one. This is pretty cool too. It goes, you can click a button and it does that, but you can change it how duration. You can choose short, medium, or long. Like you said, you can do that. Lights up. Or you can just do the rippling effect, which is really cool. Here, I'll start at, let's do medium. It does that. Like you'd like touched water or something. You can change the speed. You can do it really fast. And playback visualizer, I haven't messed with that one, or the mic one, lightning link. I guess that's what it does. But you can actually turn that off. There's another program you can use besides the Corsair one. It's a Corsair effects engine. Pull that up real quick for you guys. I'm actually going to play a Shadow Warrior 2 OST from the main menu theme. So go ahead and should be up and running. It's like a visualizer for it basically. Really good game, by the way. I really enjoyed it. You can actually change how far, like the stats of it or whatever you want to call it. Can't remember how I did it. Settings. Yeah, here it is. see. It's pretty cool. Go back to the beginning. I mean, it's pretty cool that you can have like a visualizer for this. I'm still learning this program though, the color effects engine. But you know, you can change like the decibel range, frequency, and all sorts of stuff. But I prefer just the regular Corsair gaming thing, like the original one. Let's pause this real quick. Like I said, I just do this one right here because I figured it's easy. Whoa. I don't think it's supposed to do that. It's because I think I have both engines running. Let's go ahead and close that one then. It just bugged out because both programs are running. Oh, that's great. So yeah, this is the Corsair Strafe RGB MX Cherry Silent, or however you pronounce it. But yeah, if you want to see the MX Silent, it's a little bit less. It's like a lighter red compared to the regular Cherry MX. I mean, it comes with a rest here. You can actually deattach or reattach, but it's kind of pointless to me because I don't play like this. You know, I don't play with my fingers down like that. I actually play like this. It's more comfortable for me. But I mean, if that's how you play, you know, with your fingers like that, this rest will work for you. But me, it's useless. You can actually, these are the gaming switches. They have like ridges, so you don't, you know, miss or whatever for when you're like running or whatever you're playing. But yeah, that's the review on that. That's really cool. I love this keyboard. I paid like $97 for it, and it was just barely used. So I mean, they go for 130 new. So I was like, it's only 2 weeks old. I got it off eBay. So yeah, haven't had any issues with it so far. So that's my review. I give this isn't sponsored or anything. So, but if I had to give this a solid review, I would definitely give this about a 9 out of 10. The quality is really great. I love the finish and stuff. I'm not really sure what it's made out of. It's either some sort of plastic or metal. I can't really tell. I think it's metal, but I'm not sure. But like I said, the rest, if you play like this with your fingers down, pretty pointless to have this rest because it just completely misses. It needs to be about another inch or two longer. But 9 out of 10, yeah, I really enjoy it. I'm not sure what that button does there, the red one. I think it's a Windows key, but I'm not really sure. But who cares? Works really well. And my last one was a cell membrane. It was a Logitech G105. And I really enjoyed that one, but it only lasted me about 1.5 years. So I went and just got me, and I paid like $35 for it. So I wanted to get me a really nice one and make sure it lasted me a long time. Next one I will get, it's probably going to be a buckling spring, or whatever they're called, the IBM ones, if this ever does break. Because I really like to get one of those. And then I got this one refurbished off of eBay. It's a Logitech G105 or 502 mouse. So yeah, it's got RGB. It's the Spectrum one. It's pretty solid. I think I got it for like 50 bucks or something like that. But yeah, that's that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel down below, and thanks for watching.